In a landmark 3-day program, we had the privilege of hosting 8 leading gynecological surgeons from the Philippines for an immersive, hands-on journey into the future of surgery. For the first time ever, we introduced virtual reality learning combined with robotic surgery training, a method never before used by any training group in this field.
It was a very, very big blessing and surprise for me.
Workshop conducted by the team of Professor Rooma Sinha. The workshop that was conducted from the basics, it's really complete. From the port placement to the docking.
This masterclass is truly an enriching and unforgettable experience for us.
The first 3 days, this is one of the most unforgettable experiences that we have here in India.
And I'm so happy and satisfied.
Dr. Rooma for sharing her time and expertise for us aspiring robotic surgeons in the future.